So my Chinese diesel heater woes, I had the error 09 message pop up, and of course the instruction manual only goes up to error 08, so I've done some searching on the web, and it appears that there is a sensor failure, which I should include a picture now. And basically, with that sensor failure, what happens is there's a failure of the sensor of some sort, the heat sensor on top. So basically I'm going to go inside. I had a look last night and I found the wire was broken, so I'm going to go in and resolder it, but basically just remove the front screw-on attachment that holds the top unit on. And what I need to do is I'm going to move this metal sort of prong out of the way that holds the sensor on top of the heat unit there. It's one of these wires that needs fixing. So with this little clip out of the way, I can remove the sensor, and basically there's it's horrible doing this one-handed. Let me move those out of the way. So as you can possibly see there is a broken wire just there, and basically if you look there, error 09, if I hold that wire down, error disappears. I'm going to let go of my thumb now, and the error code should reappear. Oh, don't let go of the wire, it's still attached. And there's the error code again. So yeah, so a quick little solder on that wire there, and we should be good to go. Right, so job's jobbed. Bit of insulation tape over the fix because the wire's very thin and didn't go over it. And look, no error code. So let's fire her up. There you go, she's on. Just make sure everything's back in place where it needs to be. There we go, level jubby, pop the cover on, pop the end on. There we go. So fingers crossed, in a minute we'll have some hot air. And there we go, lovely jubby, nice bit of heat. All working again, happy days.